How long before I get in? Before it starts, before I begin? How long before you decide? Or before I know what it feels like? Where do I go? If you never try it, then you'll never know. How long do I have to climb up on the side of this mountain of mine? Look up, I look up at night. Plants are moving, speed of the light. Climb up in the trees. Every chance that you get is a chance that you seize. How long am I gonna stand with my head stuck under the sand? I start before I can stop, before I see things start to wear up. All that noise and all that sound, all those places I have found, and birds go flying at the speed of sound to show you how it all began. Birds came flying from the underground. If you could see it, then you understand. Ideas that you'll never find, the inventors that could never design, the buildings that you put up, Japan and China, all lit up. And signs that I couldn't read, or a light I couldn't see. Some things you have to believe, but others are puzzles puzzling me. All that noise, all that sound, all those places that I found, and birds go flying at the speed of sound to show you how it all began. Birds came flying from the underground. If you can see it, then you understand. Oh, let me see it, then you understand. All those signs, I knew what they meant. Some things you can't invent. Some get made, some get sent. Woo-hoo. And birds go flying at the speed of sound to show you how it all began. Birds came flying from the underground. If you could see it, then you understand. If you see it, then you understand.